Rain shared insights into his married life with Kim Tae Hee and their children through their cooking habits. He mentioned that he doesn't like asking his wife for help with household chores, and they both cook dishes they personally enjoy. He praised Tae Hee as an amazing cook who uses only the finest ingredients for their family. Rain expressed his appreciation for her cooking, saying he enjoys everything she makes. He also shared a tip for dealing with their children's appetites, cooking more than planned to ensure there's enough food for everyone, emphasizing that there is no such thing as just one bite in their household.